Rectangular marquee tool makes a rectangular or a square selection. Select the rectangular marquee tool from the toolbox. To make a rectangular selection, drag over the area you want to select. To make a square selection, hold down Shift and drag the mouse. Now release the left mouse button before you release Shift key to keep the selection shape constrained. To drag a marquee from center, hold down Alt and drag the mouse. If you want to make it square selection, hold down Shift and now release the left mouse button before you release Shift and Alt keys to keep the selection shape constrained. To reposition a selection, keep the mouse button depressed and hold down the spacebar. Now move the mouse to adjust the selection. Release the spacebar but keep the mouse button depressed if you need to continue adjusting the selection border. Here's some more features of rectangular marquee tool in the style option. Normal determines marquee proportions by dragging, as you have seen in previous examples. Fixed ratio determines marquee proportion by entering height to width ratio. If you want to draw a marquee twice as wide as it is high, enter 2 for the width and 1 for the height. You can also swap the values by clicking on swap icon. And now drag the mouse. Fixed sign determines marquee proportion by entering height and width of selection in units of measurement. If you want to enter the size of selection in pixels, then write px after the value. You can also change the unit of measurement by right-clicking on the text box. And now, click and drag the mouse to adjust the selection border.